Hello friends, welcome to DevOps training session, and in this session we will learn how to save our build into the artifacts. So suppose example, if you are working on Java project, so when the build will complete it will generate the var file or jar file. And suppose if you are working on Android project or iOS project, so it will generate the APK or IPA file. So we have to save this file because we have to give this file for the testing purpose or for the report purpose. So Jenkins provide the artifacts where you can save your build files. So click on the new item, provide the project name, select freestyle project and OK. So we have project in our Git repository. So just copy this URL and go to the source code management, click Git and provide your URL here. So my URL is a public, so we don't need to provide the ID and password. Go to the build section. In this section we have to select top level maven target and select the maven that is already saved in previous lecture, and command is package. Once we'll build generate, we have to post build action. So in that option we have archive the artifacts. So it will ask file to archive, so we have to provide the file name. So by this way we can get all the wire files that is present in our workspace. So click on apply and save and start the build now. So you can see here, check out the code and start the test cases execution, generate the build, and you can see here archiving the artifacts. So build is completed successful. Go back and we can see here a new folder is came, that is artifacts. So it will created three var files because we not provide any proper name, so it will create the three files. Okay, so if you want to give a proper name, just copy the file and go to the configure and just provide the proper name. So when you start build next time, it will give only that file. Okay, so just refresh. Okay, so we can see here, if you provide the proper file name, so it will give that file name only. So thanks all.